Rai Film presents A Walk to Nature.
Hi, Janisa. Hi, Dad. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
I would like to ask if you could help me in our project in economics.
What is it about?
It is about how to save Mother Nature and the environment.
Oh, that's good. Sure.
Yeah, and we should make a video about it, and we will pass it next week.
Okay.
So, can
Make
we
it.
Let's go see it. Thank you. So I already made a storyline for our video. And
Hi! Here's your food.
thank
Eat
you.
well.
Thank you.
Welcome.
So I already made a storyline, so here it is. So what do you think?
This is good.
And we should also tell our other members so that they would help us.
Yes, we should.
But first, do you know a place where we could film this?
Wait. Oh, I have an idea.
Dad, we have a project in economics. Yes. We have to do this. We should make a video about the environment. And are they supposed to garbage there?
Why are they throwing garbage there?
You should take a video or picture. Sure. Excuse me. Why are you throwing your garbage here?
What?
You're not supposed to do that. Why?
Because we want to. Yes, because we want to. Where's the plan? Not bad. So in here I want houses, stores, and a long road. Okay? I want those trees to be cut down. Yes, I am.
Okay. Sir, are you interested to put up a subdivision here?
Yes. It's a very good plan.
Okay, sir. Cross your own plan first. Excuse me, sir. What are these men doing?
Why are you cutting down those trees?
See?
Yes. And you're destroying the environment.
Is there a problem?
Yes, because you're destroying the environment.
Our CEO doesn't want to talk about it anymore. Sorry, students.
So let's take a picture of it.
Yes, we should.
Okay, that's all.
Oh, I remember. The pictures that we have taken last time.
What about it?
we upload these?
Yes, we should, so that people will be aware of what's happening in the environment. Because a lot of people nowadays are destroying Mother Nature.
Yes, I think so too.
Okay.
Guys,
Yep.
someone posted about the illegal practices in the environment.
Oh, this is horrible.
Who posted it?
Janisa May Sobremesana and Marina Christine Mapa.
This is injustice.
I'm a Red Crosser. And Camille, you're a Girl Scout.
Yes.
And Hans, you're a Boy Scout. We should do something.
Yes.
Alright.
Let's get it on.
Excuse me? Yes. What are you doing?
We are rallying!
Why? We saw some pictures on Facebook. It is illegal. It has no permission, and we're just saving the nature.
Yes! We are
Yes.
defending the earth!
Stop, look, and listen.
Earth first!
Protect Mother Earth.
Earth first!
Protect Mother Earth.
Be sensitive!
What are you doing?
We are planting trees
What is the reason that you're planting trees?
to save the environment.
What's the main reason?
Are you Janisa?
Yes.
Are you Marinette Mapa?
Yes.
So they're the one who posted the pictures.
Yes, we are.
That's the reason why you were planting trees.
Safeguard Mother Earth. Let your hands make the difference. Excuse me, Miss. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We're here to pass our project in economics.
Very good. Thank you, Miss.
The end. The cast of A Walk to Nature, starring Janisa, Marinette, Hans, Meryl, Camille, Robeline, Ian, Nathaniel, Bethel. Special thanks to Kalinog Series, Pututan Iloilo, Minguez Family, Minguez Bread and Butter, Tito Joe's Tricycle, Bear Brand and Milo, Angelina, Barangay Zaragay, and Pututan Plaza. Bloopers 101.
So, our project in AP. Yeah, I'm gonna siya. About just the environment. So,
Why are they turned grass there?
Cut down. Cut down.
are you sure of this?
Yes, yes.
Sir?
Let's go sit. Thank you. So,
This is horrible.
Group 2 of 10Cs. Thank you for watching.